Get ready to pamper your skin with simple and effective homemade treatments. For a nourishing face mask, mix honey and plain yogurt in a bowl. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Exfoliate your skin with a gentle scrub made from oatmeal and honey. Mix equal parts in a bowl, then massage onto damp skin in circular motions. Combat oily skin with a lemon juice toner. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water. Moisturize your lips with a coconut oil lip balm. Simply melt coconut oil in a small bowl. For a soothing eye treatment, place cucumber slices or chilled green tea bags over your closed eyes. Create a relaxing oatmeal bath by adding a cup of oatmeal to your warm bath water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to soothe and moisturize your skin. For a natural hair conditioner, mix apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Get a natural glow with a coffee body scrub. Mix coffee grounds with coconut oil to create a paste. Enjoy the benefits of these simple and affordable treatments for healthy, glowing skin.